No better no better barrel. Man, fuck your girl, fuck you suck pussy, you lick up body. Man, come in your mouth. You just a nasty 19-year-old with a disaster. So me know if me no, and I don't want you feel like say me hear the same thing. I don't pass your place. Because when I pass a place, me always I go remind. You don't want me come on TikTok, beg me money, take me bring down, take me scandal, take me disgrace, fix up house put in her, buy food put in there, buy clothes go no, buy car for the drive around in her, go no money for spend, and live like queen and king in a palace. And them the lifestyle you want to look work. Even our day, yeah. When I tell me say you got country go sell pussy, alright, the Hakim stand up. But don't go sell a pussy, I go get 20,000, don't go. And the last time in Melissa when I got country, you are now bid alley and stuck down there. A pussy no go sell. So what you said to me? The last time you got country, a pussy you go sell. What you said to me? What you said to me? You come one day, you give me 10,000. You say you want money for dash your belly, you want a makeup, me give you $10,000. How much of my money me give you? How much I leverage you live off a girl? I know you say live off my blood clot name. And for you come and Tita come give 2 good grace. You ever want in this long bag of talk? You can't talk with me, you know. I tell you every day, you can't no talk with me. And my footstep, you can't follow because you're poor. And I'm not that. When kinds not show up on TikTok, you don't know if you come sit down and create people. You come if you come, tell Natalie one story for she come. I'm telling you, one year old for suck. Tell her one story for she shoot for you. That's it. That's all. Use nobody. So Natalie, if I waste your time, pan you with gift, I can tell her what you are. You're not but a look or. Not even the people you brought to your big pussy and you your mama is the same thing. The whole owner is a syndicate of people. That's why I couldn't sleep with you. Because when I live a see you, I would probably say, build upstairs, fix up the place, me. I can't live around a non-progressive element, dirty people, make a salt. Broke people can't power broke people. Money people power with money people. If we go to one party, they will make up and buy liquor. Me can't have a look at you and then I go to a party. Me I go buy liquor for everybody. Me can't like it that way there. Broke can't power. Hungry. It can't go on classic. And I'm broke people. The things that when me do for you, mama never do it for you yet. I still come over here. Come sit down and tell lie. We ever do for me yet? We ever do for you yet? In a them the time when Miguel a fuck you and Senan and the Tyler man them a fuck you and Jakes. Jakes tell me say fuck you, Miguel tell me say Jakes fuck you. The proof is there. So I don't know what to come and tell social media. And after that you still breathe. Remember you know? Chatting on me I show on this you know. After Jakes and Miguel and all of them fuck you and the things them. You still breathe. I still make bygones. When them tell me say fuck you, I start them. I still make bygones with bygones. And I give me things. I still make bygones with bygones and still help you. But the trick in the book was no. I never share take him this trip, you know, and our mama, you know, our friend. And the whole of them in the yard every day I know say that man of the girl and the whole of them did it. My rubber trike in my face every single day. Remember, good man, your betrayal cut deep. You look a stinking girl. Your betrayal cut deep. You look a stinking girl. Because all I want to do for you, ya dead me dead, ya give birth me dead. All I want to do for you, you look a stinking girl. Your betrayal deep. And they're still over here, come over here like it is nothing. I know you lie. You can't form a good sentence. I don't know where you go back to school go do. I'm not argue with you, you know. And I argue with you, and I show the world how ungrateful you be. Come in and argue with you. Come in and argue with no local careless girl. Because the whole of one or you and your mama and the whole of one or. Remember when you are 14 or 5 man, you have a fuck you. Miguel, which is an anti-man, Bumpisha, the gold teeth, Tyler, and Senan, which is a Miguel friend of you. One at a time Marcus a fuck you. One whole per man you have a fuck you at 14. You was a little rat, old rat. Because what? You're hungry. And you don't live to learn to satisfy. You just want to feel hype. And that is what is discussed. You just want to feel like you're hype with nobody. I mean, I take no trauma and cuss you, you don't have no trauma. Because anything where you do, you're proud. Anything where you do, you're proud doing it. And you're proud saying anything where you say. So when you go come on TikTok, come blood clot talk about oh me never do nothing for you. Bear in mind to yourself, the last time you got a country go sell pussies, me get $20,000. Skip the rest, skip all what we do in the last year when they pick the band. Skip that. The last time when you got a country go sell pussies, me give me $20,000. Cash. You come and me, I come eat my food. And when I go back and see you, you take my 20,000 there, slung and do all on the slung and laugh and spend it and yam and chat me. God nah sleep. He's a look angry for dirty bumble hole. But me, I leave it to the universe. Me, I leave it to the universe, you know. Come in, come over there, come argue with you. Me not gonna come over here, come argue with you. Yeah, me not gonna argue with you. Because if you're 19-year-old like in a chatting with girl, you should not catch no way. I'm going to learn ambition. Oh, I do my fingernail, I'm going to do my ear. Actually, the ear just actually, ear, no. Oh, I do my fingernail, I'm going to do my ear. Actually, the ear just sick. You don't have no ambition, you don't live nowhere. And you don't plan to come and say, alright then, let me sit down and try to secure something for me and my son for the time being. All the business about a hairstyle and hairdo. And when the app now work for you, you go back to your regular routine and sell your mouth to your hole. You can't stop sell hole. You walk and change man like when you walk and change man like when police are direct traffic. Change and go around this stuff. Your PH man is supposed to mock you. No better in, no better barrel. Man, fuck your girl, fuck you suck pussy, you lick up body. Man, come in your mouth. You just a nasty 19-year-old with a disaster. So, I don't want you feel like say me hear the same thing. I don't pass your place. Because when I pass your place, me always going to remind you where you be. It's a reminder. And oh, me did young, nothing go so. Because if you did young, you don't know, say, alright, then me young, I'm going to continue to do this hour when I get older. For you depend TikTok till no rank. I never see you take your picnic and have him for 2 weeks and buy him some snacks and juice. We each up over the dirty head girl yard. Dirty foot, dirty head girl yard. Your mama now look on Kelly because she gonna live with man. Your next sister just have a young baby man now and she. Torn the whole on something that disaster. And that's why I couldn't live with you now. Nobody have to leave. I'm salt. They are salt. Them salt. Me couldn't live with them salt. Me in my environment. Them come and me I'll come see how me live. Never have look to sit in my house and put me on my fridge. Me live comfortable. And when they come and me, I come prepare to what I have in here and go fast, them care about the news and all of them sit down and dissect. You can't dissect no story about me. You only can chat. Come here and tell people, oh, me swear your jaws. Your jaws can't fit me. Which part of your jaws can't fit me? Look how me bigger than you. Which part of your panty can't fit me? You lie till we don't know what you lie about. It's pure lie you tell. Your story them bungle up. Like when you unscribble letter. Pure lie you tell. Pure lie. Pure lie you tell. So I don't really look at you. Pure lie you tell. I mean, I can't argue with you, I can't argue with me. I'm going to make you go and talk. I remember you and nobody. Because at the end of the blood clot there, and my name go on a platform because there is nobody. I'm going to come over here and give God good grace and mercy. God favor me. For them come over here and give God good grace and mercy, them throw me on the bus. What nothing wrong with that? The Lord know my heart. Him alone can judge me. So teacher A, I want my watch of them. I may take care of the whole of the junker them down there. See how they? Teacher A. I may take care of the whole of the dog shit them. She know 95% I want to know the story. I told them like me no want to talk truth. And the betrayal of them I not do. Because me can look on stranger and get stranger $500 or $1,000. Me can look on the stranger $500 or $1,000. Any amount of money long as I have me can get stranger. Why I won't give me one family them. Them a back and belly rat. Them well Judas out. And for nothing. So no feel like say she suck the milk. She suck the breast milk till fear teaching edge. She and her mama the same thing. My mama cough, you know. My mama soon 50 and don't own a bed. So Father God bless you. She do one 3/4 one. My mama soon 50 and don't own a bed. The last time she click live on my machine she watching her ear was her speech. May I wash not before them comes for it. I may say watch there. Look on the one talk about girl. That man she walking on my shoes so but they can't even walking. They can't even step in it. I'm a go-getter. I'm a value life and people. That's why I hate people because I realize that people are foolishness. They can't put the trust in them. I mean, I got to play the 9 game. When your anti-man come in your mouth, me they gonna look justice for you. But you never want no justice because you don't want him coming in your mouth. Tap come here, come bowl a call me name. Tap come here, come call me name a long time. Okay, if you're 13, I'm discover it when you're 14, you're. And if you can lie down, in a room with your aunt naked, I take up, you don't have no reputation. So I don't know what Marvin did I do with you. I'm gonna now stop, repeat that sentence until me dead. If you can lie down in a room with your aunt, and I'm gonna both of you, with my man and other man, you don't have no reputation. You don't have no value, you don't have no morals, nothing about you. It's a little dirty stinking dog shit. That's what you are. Because what? The older you grow, the more you must know right from wrong. Right from wrong, right from wrong, right from wrong, right from wrong. So I do my auntie man, I 14 that now go look good. And then I take them and that now go look good. You know right from wrong, but you take them because you like money and things. You like, me have money and me have this and that. You know right from wrong. You can't argue with nobody. You lie down in a bed naked with your auntie. Naked as a day, the toe on the front. Naked. And some way that do for months, I enjoy it. And for sure you say so much you enjoy and so much you like. Even when me go in a station and the man run away and the man there Spanish town and you left out of the same house. Remember, you know, you come at your mama yard. Remember, you know, you come at your mama yard and you left your mama yard. You're up there and them you out. You left from up there, you come back at your mama yard. You come out to your mama yard again and go live with man when you are 15. And the same set of one them where me care gas, the same man on me care gas station for go lock up. Because them do the things them, you still go meet him at Spanish Town. Do your next man, tell him I can't take pictures so you know exactly what you do. Yeah. We don't respond just if you're on my platform. I can't talk about anything more I talk about. And my life me I talk about. I whole power of family will betray we. Just like that. Or even worse. Some of you they are foreign, send no money come go to family in Jamaica, when you come back here, when you don't even blood clot see the land where them say fi buy much as the blood clot care. And them are wicked. When they are fine and work on the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 5 and the Umateen job. I have money I save at Jamaica. I give family the money I have to save at Jamaica. I want to come here. When you don't see the car here, see the land here. When you come here, no car, no land. I talk about anything as long as I live and I stop talking about it. I'm a story not change. And I'm ever going to the judge tomorrow, man, the same story me I tell your honor. So you can't stop me from talk. So I don't want you to go on, lady. I never ask her no question. Who feels it knows it. Want me butter kiss love. So if you want to pay your $10 for type for me black, you're fine. You don't have no problem. But you're not going to tell me what you want to tell me, because number one, no one can define my happiness. Me talking about something doesn't mean I'm happy, doesn't mean I'm sad. I talk about it because I want to talk about it. The little girls are look misbehaved slut dog from Shingal Street and from Shot 8 runway. And lie. When she just come and tell me, I say, come here man time, come sit down, look your money. If I have 3 times a day, you come here, look your money, have a youth, rate and play. Yeah man, me I go back to school man. When she come here, Natalie said that 2 give she missing because she got name the money. And she come and she also want 500 or want 600, you don't see her back again till when she broke. Straight sell pussy style that. Rough life that. When she come here, if she come here Monday and Natalie give her 2 lion and so, you don't see her back till it done. She come here one day, she also 400, you don't see her back till it finish. And when she come here, she in a bag of chatting. That's what she do. I must stay so, what you mean by? And them grudge girl for them success. When me come here do my 12 and my 24 hour, them want an argument with me for my success. When me come here, come do my 12 hour and my 24 hour and when me come here put in my work and do my hours, them want to grudge me for my success. When them come to their also want $400, them not come back till them broke. And I'm going to $300 and something dollar. That's about 160,000. When the 60,000 done, you see them come back here. That's what she work. You see how that she do every day. And then when them see me, I come here every day, Sunday to Sunday. I 3-4 times I click life for the day, because juggle me, I juggle. Them grudge me for my stuff. Say, put in the work. And don't bring them out to me, because I not stop telling about, no look how nasty germs itself. Because the whole one are germs.